case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2008 case, the Missouri Court of Appeals ruled that a surviving spouse may still inherit from their deceased partner's estate, even with a legal separation agreement, as long as the agreement doesn't clearly forbid the right to inheritance. The case, Estate of McKown v. Rapue, involved Elaine McKown, who sought inheritance rights and statutory allowances from her late husband, Larry McKown's estate. Despite a Kansas decree of separate maintenance, which allowed them to live separately and divided their property, Elaine's claims as a surviving spouse were initially denied by the circuit court. Larry McKown had executed a will leaving his estate to his mother and sister. However, the Court of Appeals ruled in favor of Elaine, stating that the decree of separate maintenance did not clearly terminate her inheritance rights. This allowed Elaine to pursue her claims and reverse the circuit court's decision. The court clarified that the circuit court had erred in denying Elaine's claims based on the Kansas decree of separate maintenance, which hadn't clearly terminated her inheritance rights. Thus, Elaine was entitled to inherit from Larry's estate and pursue claims for post-decree property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.